Probability Exercise 32E. An ice cream shop offers 12 flavors of homemade ice cream, 7 of which contain chocolate. So I'm going to go ahead and write down here 12 flavors. Okay, from that 7 are chocolate. So I think we'll probably need to know that we'll call the 5 extra, or the 5 to make the 12, we'll call that just other. If you order 4 scoops of ice cream, telling the worker behind the counter, I don't care, just pick 4 different types you'd think I like. What is the probability you would end up with less than 2 scoops containing chocolate? So we're looking for the probability of less than 2 scoops chocolate. Okay. So let's look at what our denominator would be. We need 4 scoops of ice cream, and I'm choosing from 12 different flavors. I don't care about the order. They said different flavors, so no repetition here. So that sounds like a combination, so 12C4 for our denominator. All right, for our numerator, let's see what we have here. Less than 2 scoops, so that means 2 scoops of chocolate. That means our minimum would be 0, and our maximum would be 1 of the chocolate. Okay, so that means we would have 0 chocolate, and if we're ordering 4 scoops, we would have 4 other, or 1 chocolate and 3 other. That would make our 4 scoops. All right, so I have 7 chocolate. I need 0. And I have 5 others. I need 4 scoops of that. Or I have 7 chocolate, of which I need 1. And of the 5 others, I need 3. Okay, so what does that give me in my numerator? So this right here would give me 5. This right here would give me 70. And 495 in the denominator. So that's 75 over 495. And for those of us who are able to reduce that right off, we have 5 over 33.